To generate a client ID for any clients in the system, the staff member must go into the client profile. So again, we can use the search function to locate the client that we want. In this case, we're going to use Brody again as an example. Under the Overview tab, which is the default tab that we first land on when we come into the client profile, under the information here of age, the client type, the email, phone number, on the right hand side, you'll see a field that says client ID. So this is where you're going to set up the client ID. You have two options here as a staff member. We can either one, click on the little pencil icon to type in a code ourselves. As a best practice, some of our customers may ask, well, what is the best way, right? The easiest way for my clients to be able to remember their client ID. We oftentimes do suggest the customers to maybe set up the client ID as the client's phone number. So maybe in this case, that's their phone number. We can easily just copy and paste this, obviously removing the dashes. And then that way, the clients can easily be like, oh, right, my member ID is my phone number, and just kind of go with that. Now, if the customers don't really care about how the client ID will look, we can just X out of here. The other option is over here, the little um, arrows in a circle would be to generate the ID. If I click on this, Wellness Living will generate a ID automatically for me. So if I click on this, it's gone ahead and created a new member ID. So this is how you would set up a member ID for any client in the system.